all the security footages, and I'm here with the Senate President to assure him that we are only doing this to secure them.
Kaya pala kasandesa, sir. Thank you.
Kasama ko lang ang mga senador ngayon at nagpulong-pulong kami para makita talaga ako ano yung nangyari. From chronology of events, at approximately 7:46, armed men tried to enter to the second floor but were stopped by the USAA. They had firearms with them, but the USAA fired a warning shot. They retreated at the back and then started firing indiscriminately into the air. Now, we do not have a definite count of how many people tried to enter the building. Number two, there are no casualties. None. No one was hit, no one is wounded, no one was killed. Number three, we are in the process of determining who is behind this. We have instructed the GSIS and the Senate building, the Senate staff to secure all CCTVs. Our mission here, the President sent me here, number one, to secure the senators. There is no politics at this time. In these times of turmoil, politics goes out the window. We all belong to one country and we all believe in one nation. The President has given strict instructions. Secure the senators, whoever they may be. Next, we are not here to arrest Senator De La Rosa. In fact, we are here to protect him. Let that be clear. We need that very clear to his family. I repeat, we do not know who is behind this, but we will find it. We have all the security footages, and I'm here with the Senate President to assure him that we are only doing this to secure them.
What's the motive?
First and foremost, we thank God that everyone is safe. We'd like to thank the President, Secretary Isidoro, Secretary Remulla, who personally came here. Chief PNP Narsatis is here. So as you know, last Monday, nag-request po tayo ng PNP just to make sure na yung investigation natin with NBI that there will be no untoward incidents. So at around 6:45, 7 o'clock, some senators got warnings na umuwi na. At nagtataka kami what that meant. So sabi ko, please don't believe that because the last thing anyone wants is yung gulo. At around that time, we got information, about an hour before that, we got information, parating na dito yung articles of impeachment. So we decided to extend our focus and to mag-meeting na how we can prove by actions yung sinabi namin that this change in leadership is not about politics, it's not about impeachment. So at around that time na sinabi ni Sec. Remulla, we heard noises, akala ni Senator Villanueva, paputok, fireworks, and I even went to the window at pinagalitan nga ako ng sister ko dahil we don't do that. But after a few minutes, may paputok na naman, then we smelled and then I was already watching TV, hindi ko na ma-contact. And then tumawag yung USAA na, sir, confirmed na may shooter, hanggang dun lang. By that time, tumawag na si Sec. Remulla that calm everyone down, but we're on the way, make sure na papasukin kami. So we agreed on a objective, comprehensive investigation. I expressed to the President, who was a senator before he became President, Sec. Remulla, that of course the safety of my colleagues is very important, but yung integrity din ng Senado. The building is more than a building. In fact, it's not even our building, it's GSIS. But it represents the democracy of our country. So I'd like to thank you, kayo din sa media. No? I know you're also confused, but you decided to stay. So in the next few days lang, make sure lang na hindi tayo ma-infiltrate until we get to the bottom of this. No? So, the USAA and the PNP under the direction of myself and Sec. Remulla is now going floor by floor and we'll do the same sa kabilang building. We won't say any more operational details, but we will try to make sure na safe. I'll be here tomorrow. That's if I go home tonight. No? I'll be here and we'll brief you further. No? So we'll stop there. Pasensya lang po kayo, we'll stop muna sa details. Mahirap po na iba-ibang magpa-interview. So I'm directing the staff not to tell a lie, not to tell the whole truth, and to make sure nga that we cooperate with the PNP in their investigation.
Who are the shooters and how many, sir?